Inside morning walk and talk. Got started a little bit later than usual today. Took a little bit longer walk, but we're out here. It's about 9:37. Usually we start at 9 o'clock. You guys know. Hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. Last week was a really, really good week for us as far as AI updates. A lot of things happened in the world of AI. Things including Meta actually releasing the Muse Spark 1.1. On top of that, we had Elon actually come out and give a hat tip to not OpenAI, but to Anthropic, saying that Fable, which is built on the Mythos architecture, is the leading uh, and number one LLM right now, which a lot of people agree with. But even more than that, we talked about our project that we are doing. We are the global AI community, serving folks all around the globe, specifically beginners who want to learn more about AI. But anyone who wants to talk and chat about AI, that's kind of our mission at this point right now. Not kind of, but it is our mission right now. And in doing that, there's one thing specifically that we're working on, which, well, there's a lot of things, it's not just one thing, but one of the more important things we're doing, we're actually building an app together as a community. We need you guys' input. We're building a day labor marketplace app. Think Indeed, but the only difference is instead of it being temporary permanent jobs or full-time permanent jobs, we are focusing on day labor. Because the problem is, a lot of times, as an employer, you may have a call out, so you need people to come in and work. But also, as an individual, some folks want to do gig work. Think along the lines of walking a little fast, ain't I? I'm thinking along the lines of DoorDash, thinking along the lines of Uber Eats and stuff like that, Amazon delivery. A lot of people are doing day labor opportunities. So we feel like having a day labor marketplace would be great for those that just want opportunities on a whim. You may already have a you may already have a full-time job, probably do a full-time job, but there might be time where you have some extra time, you want to pick up a few extra dollars. So that's where the day labor marketplace app comes in. One of our other things we're doing is we're talking about pressing topics. The hope is to hopefully advocate for different things involving AI. So one topic that we're focused on a lot lately has been AI regulation, and folks think it's more regulated or underregulated. That's one big thing we're talking about lately. Other thing is environmental concerns as it relates to AI. So the question is, data centers, are they taking up too much water? So these are the kind of things we talk about here in this chat. And we're happy to have you guys on, like I mentioned, inside Walk and Talk, where we kind of go through and think about pressing topics, talk about things that are of interest to us. And we don't just talk about AI, we also talk about life and just having a good time. So happy to have you guys here today. Topics are AI regulation, AI environmental concerns, also AI certifications if you're looking for career paths, building apps together. So that's one thing we're doing. Yeah, yeah, OGS, it is. It's feeling good outside. If you guys, good morning, everybody. If you have not went outside yet, go outside, catch a little bit of air. You know, health is wealth. 30 to 45 minutes a day is all we need. Nothing too crazy. If you guys have not subscribed yet, subscribe. We're doing a lot of fun things here on the AI Global channel. And with so much more than just AI, we are talking about life, health, wealth, enjoyment, satisfaction, all those good things, my friends. So happy Monday. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It doesn't take much to have a wonderful day. A lot of it is just mindset. As OGS said, touching the grass, overcoming obstacles. We all have difficult times in life on a daily basis. We got to keep it moving. Why are you buying subs? For Bud K, I'm actually not buying subs at all. If you guys want to know the details, it used to be a crypto channel, crypto and stocks channel, and we had some really, really big videos on Solana blow up a couple years ago. But more recently, we changed to AI because it's a lot bigger opportunity. So yeah, folks, that's kind of where we are with that. But now that we're doing AI more frequently, we're changing lives, we're building apps together as a community, but overall, it's having a wonderful and fun time. But yeah, great question. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day, and that's where we are. So I'm gonna open the floor up to you guys. Any questions, concerns, comments? This is what we do every morning, 9 o'clock. Is AI or animating better? Um, that's a really good question. As far as AI or animating, that's a good question. I think it all depends on folks' personal interests. Me personally, I think AI has a future as far as business is concerned. I think animating may fall under AI. But you guys can hold tight one second. I got to answer a quick question. Let's see. Sorry about that, folks. So, in addition to coming on live and talking about AI. I also run a business, so a lot of times I have to hop off and answer questions from my team members. So, OG, you said AI is sometimes cursed. That's an interesting observation. Um, I'm not sure about that. I do know AI hallucinates sometimes. So the LLMs, large language models such as ChatGPT, Claude, they hallucinate. It's just a function of the architecture right now, how it works. I'm back. Yeah, but yeah, folks. So I'm out here doing my normal day-to-day walk and talk. It's a time we talk about things of concern to the community. We have our global AI community, and the whole goal is to teach beginners about or keep folks up to date with anything relating to AI. We're actually working on a day labor marketplace app, kind of like Indeed, but the difference is it's focused on day labor. So that's going to be a great opportunity for folks in the community to either get jobs or if you're an employer to supply jobs. Hoping to have that out in the next week or two. If you check out video number one, build an app, and video number two, build an app. The first one tells us about the planning that we went through. The second one talks about the actual ideations. You'll see prototypes of where we are with it right now. We'd love to have your comments. Um, there we go. I'm sorry, folks. You doing you're doing a routine. Yeah, yep. So I do a routine as far as walking in the morning. I try to keep my health up, so I try to walk. Every morning at 9 o'clock, and that's when I come on and do the walk and talk. So it's been very helpful for me. Like as I mentioned, I just started live streaming last week, so I'm still learning how it works, and I'm trying to go on every day, multiple times a day, because I find myself saying like, and huh an awful lot. So they say practice makes perfect. So I'm coming on as much as possible, and I'll go back and look at the live videos to see, if I said like, or huh a lot of times. So I'll tell you guys, if you guys make videos too, we use the script, and the script is the tool that will take out the like, and hums when you're actually recording, but when you're live, it doesn't do that. So I said right. So I'm getting a lot of practice and working on that, and that's why I actually love being on YouTube. I have so much fun. So I hope you guys subscribe. Like I said, it's not about perfection. It's about us having a good time, learning from one another, and being a community. Mr. Coco. So for a living, my brother and I, we actually started restaurants named after my mom. So before that, I was doing IT technical stuff, leading IT projects and things like that. Specifically, voice over IP. Yeah, sorry about that. I had a call coming in, folks. Yeah, so I would say that's probably the biggest things that I used to do. But yeah, right now I run a business, and me and my business partner, we have restaurants. So that takes up a lot of my time. If anyone ever worked in a restaurant or own a restaurant, it takes up a lot of your time. And actually, um, I have a call coming in right now. So I'm going to be back on, folks, in about 10 minutes. I got to take this call. Thanks for joining.